to add all the pencils and divide them equally to let each student have the same number of pencils. So we add all of this. So it will be what? 3 plus 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5, and it gives me how many? It gives me 36. Then we can divide the 36, let's do 36, divided by the number of students. How many students do we have? Exactly 6 students. So it's divided by 6. So the share of each student will be how many? 6 pencils. Each student will take 6 pencils. Thus, we write the answer to problem A, which is 6 pencils. If we apply the same method with group 2, we will find that the total number of pencils is how many? If we add them all together, it gets us 27 pencils. And we are going to divide it also on the number of students. How many? Exactly 6 divided by 6. There will definitely be a remainder because 27 is not a multiple of 6, right? Okay, so let's try to divide it and see. The nearest multiple of 6 to 27 is exactly, it's 24. So we divide 24 by 6, gives me 4, and it gives me remainder. How many? It gives me remainder 3. So each student in group 2 will take 4 pencils and there will be 3 left. That will not be distributed. This is different from what happened in group 1, because the total number of pencils was multiple of 6, which is the 36. It's also already, it's multiple of 6, right? Is there a way to divide the 3 pencils among the 6 students? Is it possible to divide each pencil into 2 halves, for example, so that there are 6 halves and each one gets a half in addition to the 4? So the share of each student is 4.5 pencils? Although this solution is correct and we will distribute the pencils equally, but it's certainly not a logical solution in the context of the pencil, right? So we can break them. The logical solution may be to distribute the remaining 3 pencils to 3 students, for example, so that 3 of them will get 5 pencils and the other 3 will get only 4 pencils. It's okay.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.